everyone, welcome back on our channel Innovative for Family. Today we are going to make guryani as we said for the cold and cough. Yes Anna, what we are going to make? Guryani. For guryani what all ingredients we need? We need besan, gram flour, coconut powder, atta, jaggery powder, and secret ingredient is salt. So we will start up with this. Here we go. I have already put the ghee in it, and after that I'm going to add this atta. 1, 2, according to quantity, how much you want to have. Make for your kid or adults. Adults also it will help. You have to just mix it like that in a ghee. And besan, gram flour, that's also you have to mix it well, and little more ghee I'm going to add it. It's yum also and it's healthy also, and it will help for the cold and cough. Yes or no? You will love it, right? Yeah? You're helping mama? You're helping mama, no? Like that we have to mix it till it brown, little brown. Wait Anna, wait 2 minutes, hot, okay Anna? Now I'm going to add secret ingredient like salt and jaggery powder. Jaggery powder all will go in, and we have to mix it again like this. Salt, why I am putting salt in it little bit? Because it will help in cold and cough. We have to mix it, keep mixing it. Now we are going to add water. More water. Like that we have to just mix it, add little water, keep mixing it. It will really help in cold and cough. कहते ना हमारी नानी दादी बनाते थे, तो उनसे हम भी सीखें. अब हमारे बच्चे काम आ रहा है, हमारे भी काम आता है. You have to keep stirring it, otherwise lumps will come. Anna, wait a minute. In a bowl for the kid. It's warm, it's hot, where we can have it. Anna, wait. Can you please garnish little coconut on it? Anna, please garnish little coconut on it. Yes, like that. You need to garnish with a little coconut. It tastes yum. But done. No more, Anna. Would you like to taste and tell? Guryani is ready. You can have it. Thank you.